Hey guys, I am just making a smoothie this morning. I'm just adding this spirulina powder, and I like to add a little bit of moringa powder. Sometimes I'll add chlorella, and these are just natural greens. They're really good for your body. They have clean ingredients, they're dairy-free, gluten-free, no sugar. It's just like the organic leaf. So I'm adding those, and I'm gonna have a really good green smoothie.
The car
We both look like we have teen moms.
No, don't put that out into the world.
No.
Look what?
I just haven't showered and I have bags, but
Your camera
you
is
look good. Is it good?
Great. Yeah. What the fuck?
What's yours?
My phone is so old. I still have the home button.
That's okay.
I missed this. I want to vlog.
Oh, no. Please.
No, I can't.
I'm documenting. She's going to make. You will. I feel like eventually.
I'm making a website. Did I tell you
You
that?
are? No, hold on.
Do you not have school today? No. Me, I do.
Guys, it is Tuesday morning. I'm just about to head out. I just have on this little outfit. These are shorts I got over the summer. I don't even know where I got them, but I think I got them at like a beach store, to be honest. And then this is from where is this from? Xiaopu? I don't know. I always say it wrong, but this is from there. It's just like a sports bra thing, and it comes with like bottoms, but I don't have them on right now. This is from my mom's friend's brand. It's called Dirty Sweet, and I just have on this hat from Amazon. And yeah, so this morning I'm just going to get some fresh air. I'm gonna go for a drive. I have some errands to run, and then I might go to a picnic with my sister. We might do like a picnic style thing, and I think that will be nice because it's supposed to be really nice today. And yeah, that's just like what's up. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go eat because what else would I do? Can't forget the lip gloss.
You close your eyes and I notice when you are sad. You let out sighs, I need to know, are those you see I'm in love with you? I am everything that you do, and makes my first stop.
Hi guys, I'm whispering, but I'm getting an MRI for my knee. This is my outfit. Kind of cute. No, I do not miss it here, but praying it's not torn. I have to put all this away, and then I'm gonna go in there.
And they'll give you a little relaxing medicine through your IV, and they'll do the first shot on the back of your leg.
Okay.
What they're doing is they're depositing numbing medication around the nerves, so that the nerves that control pain to that area of your leg, so that you're comfortable today during the surgery and after the surgery for up to, you know, on average it's about 10 to 12 hours.
Yeah, I remember. It lasts like till, kind of starts to wear off like towards night time.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And it depends. Everybody metabolizes it different, so sometimes it can last into the next day for people.
Yeah, I remember you can't feel your toes.
Yeah, exactly. Definitely. Start your pain medication before the pain comes. Most people are pretty good, and they don't need it until about 8 hours from then.
Okay.
But sometimes, you know, the nerve blocks aren't always 100%. Sometimes people need to start before they leave today. Once they do that, quick little one in the back of the leg. We'll flip you over. You're going to help us, and we're going to help you flip over back onto your back. You'll get a little bit more relaxing, and we'll do 2 spots on the front of your leg.
Okay.
Then once that's done and they're ready for you in the operating room, they'll come and take you into the OR. You'll be completely asleep for the surgery.
Yeah.
And you'll wake up in a room that looks like this, but it'll be on one of these beds over here. We'll call your mom, let her know you're done. We'll get you some crackers, some soda or juice, whatever you want. And then you'll get out of here probably within about 45 minutes to an hour, depending on how you're feeling.
Okay.
They're going to give you anti-nausea medication to prevent anything like that from happening. The great thing about the nerve block is because it provides you with pain control, you don't require, most people don't require narcotics right away, which is what tends to make people sick after surgery.
Right.
What?
Stain. Oh. I literally have to use some of that. Ow, it feels so.
Yeah, I know. Alright, wait. You're gonna put it on that side. And you're gonna stand. Hold on. You're gonna balance on that leg.
Hold on, let me just like put this. How am I
No, you're gonna turn all the way and push towards the edge.
Yep, get up.
Yeah. I'm holding it. Stand and put your arm on
your
it.
hand. I have the crutch.
Well, you can't bend this.
I know.
Good.
Ow.
Yeah.
My other leg.
Here.
Yeah, but how am I gonna hold my pants up? Well, we need this.
They give you a shot. How do you think they numb your leg? I know. Do you have any shows to watch?
I don't want. I don't know.
I'd be perfect with that.
I don't know what to watch.
Hold on, hold on.
Hold weird.
Hold on.
No,
Wait.
it hurts on the outside.
Don't put your... Move it this way. To me. Towards me. Yes. Okay. Ready?
It hurt. I can't explain it. It feels like it
Put
hurts.
this in the freezer.
Why does it hurt like right here?
Oh, yeah.
Like,
Here.
come. Did he do
Spray
something
this.
else? Did he do? Like, come here. Let me tell you where it hurts.
Where?
Like here.
Yeah.
No, what's that?
That hurt me too. That's where it hurts.
Why?
I don't know.
What?
Just where it is.
Is it?
I don't know.
It's like weird.
Well, you have a stitch right here.
Is it? Oh, I don't.
They do little things. 1, 2, 3. Then the
do
long
not
one.
do something up here.
Yes, they do, Vanessa. There's one right here. You see my scar?
Where is
It's
mine?
you don't have one. It's been 8 years. It's right there.
Why would that hurt the most right now?
Because that's where they put the...
What do they do?
You really want to know?
No. I don't. Ew, they don't flip you and take it out that way?
No, you'd have an incision. They don't even cut you open. They're just little
I just wanna move
sticks.
my
1, 2,
toes.
3. They just go like that.
Okay.
A blanket?
Yes. Go outside. Don't put it on this. Wait, what? Hi guys, so I realized as I was editing that I didn't really explain myself too well throughout this video, so I kind of just wanted to input this here. But I am going to get surgery for my ACL. This video is just a little bit clumped together because I wasn't in the mood to really edit or anything as I was like post-op like that whole week. And so today is the 13th day post-op, and I can actually sit. I'm kind of sitting like this. I can bend my leg to almost 90 degrees, but I have physical therapy. I've had one session so far, and I just wanted to kind of put this in here because this is like part of my life, and I kind of debated if I was gonna, you know, post about this because it's a little bit more vulnerable. Like, as you can see, I was crying a little bit, but I just wanted to be like super transparent because I know there's so many girls and guys who go through injuries just like as they play, you know, sports, and if they're athletes in college like I am, then this is something that you could potentially, hopefully, never have to deal with, or if you have, or, you know, I don't know, you know somebody who's going through an injury, I just think it could help. And the ACL is actually pretty common for girls, so it sucks because you see it happen so much, but I just want to let anyone who's watching know that it's going to be okay, and I know it sucks and it's really hard, and I think that's why I showed what I showed, just because I wanted to be super transparent on how I felt. Like, I wasn't all happy and positive, even though I know I'm a positive person. Like, it was something really hard for me. I would have been a senior playing soccer, and it would have been my last year, and it kind of felt like that was ripped away from me, so I kind of was going through it, like, for sure, for a couple months there, but, you know, I feel like I'm on the tail end of things, and it's a little bit more of a brighter scenery over here in my life, so, you know, I feel like I just have to get through it like that, but I just wanted to share with you guys, and yeah. Just know that the hard times get better. This too shall pass. There's a bright side to it, and I hope that this just helps someone out there. And as you can see too, like, I was watching back through the footage, I'm a little bit moody, and I think that just has to do with, like, post-op, like, you're just in so much discomfort. Like, I feel like that's a good word, like, just very uncomfortable. And, like, it's hard to completely, like, smile and, like, do things like that. I don't want it to come off like I'm, like, miserable, but, I mean, the first week is really tough. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. The pain-wise wasn't so much hard. It's more, like, the mental aspect. Like, you kind of have to just, you know, lay there all day, and, like, that's kind of all you want to do because you had surgery, but it's really important to make sure you have some people around you, like your sister, mom, dad, to help you go to the bathroom. Like, I wanted to just show that you need someone to help you do that, and I thought that was, like, important because I feel like sometimes people don't show, like, the little details of stuff, like, you know, even just getting up to go to the bathroom, but all of that happens, like, for 4 days, and then it's, like, so much better. Like, it's just, like, a really, really hard couple of days, but it's nothing that you won't be able to get through. So just keep that mindset, stay positive, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.